Okay, this is a video on how to convert Theta or T-Fuel or Doge or any of these weird tokens to cash, okay? So the first thing you do is you go to wherever you have these weird tokens, like this is my Theta wallet, and you decide how many you're going to convert. Like here, I'm going to convert 40, I got 45 Theta, I've already done this. I got 40 Theta, I'm going to convert 40 Theta to cash, okay? Now the problem is that Coinbase and Bio, whatever it is, you can't transfer this stuff in. You can't transfer Theta into the Coinbase or the other one. They don't accept it. They don't have it. So before you can you want to transfer Bitcoin, or you want to transfer something into your main wallet where you can withdraw cash. Like on Coinbase, I can withdraw cash down here, okay? But I need to get the coins in here first so I can sell them and convert them to cash. So you go to your wallet, you decide how many you're going to get. Okay, so I'm going to convert 40 Theta I'm going to convert it to Bitcoin. So there's another site called Simple Swap, simpleswap.io. This is where you can exchange one crypto for another, okay? So like I'm going to send 40 Theta. Oh, Jesus. I'm going to send 40 Theta and I'm going to convert it to Bitcoin, all right? So I create the exchange. And they're going to create this exchange. Meanwhile, at Coinbase, you're going to receive crypto. You click on receive crypto, okay? And what we're going to receive is we're going to receive Bitcoin, all right? So they're going to give you an address to send the Bitcoin to. Now, this is your main wallet where you can get the cash. So this address here is where you're going to send the Bitcoin to after it's converted. Okay, so you copy that address. Then you go back to Simple Swap, and Simple Swap is going to ask you for the address where you want to send this Bitcoin. So you put that address in here. Okay. Well, let's copy it from Coinbase first. Okay, so this is where the Bitcoin's going to go, all right, from Simple Exchange. But and then you create the exchange, okay? So now Simple Swap is waiting for you to send the Theta, in this case, to them, and as soon as they get that Theta, they're going to convert it to Bitcoin and send it to Coinbase, all right? So this is the address you want to send your coins to. In other words, we're going to send 40 Theta to this address, all right? So we're going to copy that address, all right? And then you're going to go to your Theta wallet, and you're going to send, okay? We want to send 40 Theta to Simple Swap, and that's this address. This is where we're going to send it. So copy that. Already did that. We're going to send it to there. Okay, this is where we're going to send it to, which is the Simple Swap thing. We're going to select the asset here, Theta, and we're going to put in 40. Alright, so we're going to send 40 Theta to Simple Swap. Then click Next. Confirm. Okay, now what it's doing is it's sending 40 Theta, in this case, to Simple Swap, and Simple Swap is waiting. Okay, they're waiting for you to send this Theta, to send the 40 Theta to them. All right, as soon as they get it, they're going to convert it to Bitcoin and send it over to Coinbase. All right, hope that's clear. So right now it's waiting to deposit, and I know this is complicated as shit, but I hate crypto. But I finally figured out some things. All right. So this takes a while. They're going to confirm the transaction. You've sent the Theta to them. They're going to convert it to Bitcoin and send it to Coinbase. All right. So this is going to take a while, but it will happen. And then once it happens, you'll have the Bitcoin in your Coinbase. And once you're in Coinbase and you got that Bitcoin, now you got to sell it. Okay. You sell it at Coinbase, or what the hell is the name of that other one? Binance, that's it. Fuck, I probably remembered. So at Binance and Binance US, I think, and Coinbase, you can withdraw cash down here. You see that? But first you have to sell the Bitcoin. So we're waiting here to get the Bitcoin from SimpleSwap. Okay, like here it's confirming. This takes a while. And then finally they're going to send it, like sending. They're going to send it to Coinbase, the converted Bitcoin. Like in this case, 0.000, whatever the hell it is. Alright. So while we're waiting here, see now it's confirming. So let me rehash. First decide how many you're going to sell that you want to get rid of. In my case it was 40 Theta. Alright. Go to go to your wallet, wherever the fuck you have these weird coins, and decide how many you're going to sell. Then you go to SimpleSwap and put it in there, create an exchange, whatever it is. Like in my case it was 40 Theta. We're going to convert 40 Theta to Bitcoin. And then you go to Coinbase or Binance or wherever and you say receive crypto, right? We want to get crypto, right? So then you copy that address, that where you're going to receive it to. This is the address that it's going to at Coinbase, and you copy that to SimpleSwap, because SimpleSwap is going to send it to Coinbase. All right. And last, you go to your wallet or wherever you have this stuff, and you send crypto to SimpleSwap. All right. And as soon as they get it, they're going to send it to Coinbase, and then now you're going to have Bitcoin, extra Bitcoin at Coinbase. Then you sell your Bitcoin, and now you got cash, and then you can withdraw the cash. All right? You get it? All right, guys, onward and upward. If you want to make money trading stocks, you need a tool that works. DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener, and she will find these winning stocks. DDAmanda was written by stock traders, and we wrote a very, very powerful scanner. Our scanner uses both AI and user input to find and research these stocks. And the software is really easy to use, and the scanner has preset values, so getting started is a breeze, guys. Our mission is clear. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. And after you sign up, we're not going to leave you hanging. We have real-time support. Plus, you get an hour of free one-on-one training. And if she doesn't make you happy within 30 days, we'll give you an instant 100% refund, so you've got nothing to lose. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on.